Hey squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we got this cool mechanism right here, and basically what this is a suction cup hand bar or grab bar. So whether you set this up in your shower room or somewhere else, wherever you guys want to set it up, that is up to you guys. But basically give you guys extra support if you guys are struggling to stand up or something, or if you guys actually lean too far back, you guys want to get something to actually give you guys the support to hold you guys up. So see the one that we got right here looks like this. And they mention how the product is removable, reusable, no drilling necessary, and it is easy to install. And basically in the back, they provide guys instructions to teach you guys how to install it. But first, I'm actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like inside. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. So let's take out the product first. Alright, so see how the product is all neatly wrapped up in a bag. But let's take out the bag as well. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So see the handle right here, they do give you guys a pretty good grip. So when you guys grip this part here, it definitely has like that non-slip material to give you guys the best grip available. And then for this part and this part, that is where the suction cup is. So when you guys set it up under the wall, it definitely will hold up pretty well. And when you guys do set it up, they mention how you guys want to clean the wall before you guys install it. And you see the bottom right here and right here, they do have a little button for you to push it. So that can give you guys a strong suction and hold it against the wall. And supposedly the material that they use on here is waterproof or water resistant. So even if you guys get water on here when you guys are showering, it is completely fine. And once you guys want to release it, you can pull it back up. Just like that. But that is everything that's on the product. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys how to install it and show you guys what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. Let me set it up to show you guys how to install it. So first what I'm going to do is take out this part right here. Once you guys do that, you're going to stick this onto the wall. So let's say if I want to install it like this, I just want to push it in. And then once you guys push it against the wall, you guys going to push this part right here and right here. And then once you guys do that, you guys are all set. You can see how it has a pretty good support on here. So when you guys are showering, if you guys want to hold this part here to give you guys the extra support, you can definitely do that on here, which is really nice. You can see how we actually move it. It doesn't really move at all. Because the suction on here is actually really powerful and really strong. And if you guys ever need to take it off or replace it, you can just take it off really easily. So once you guys take that part out, what you're going to do is pull the bottom part right here. And same for the other side. And it's all set. So see the way how you guys set it up and install it, it's actually very easy and very simple. Alright, welcome back guys. So that's a quick test. The product definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. So if you see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long, it was actually really easy. All you need to do is just peel off that little tape in the bottom or that little piece of paper. And once you guys do that, you can set it up on the wall. But one thing to remember is that when you guys do set it up on the wall, you guys want to clean your wall and everything before you guys install it. Otherwise the suction cup won't work too well when you guys actually use it. But when you guys do set it up, it definitely works pretty well. So whether you're going to use it at home, in the office, however you guys want to use it, that is up to you guys. But it definitely has a pretty good support on here. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality suction cup, grab bar, or hand bar that you can use in a shower or somewhere else. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or hasn't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.